Within the dynamic realm of content creation, a groundbreaking ally has emerged to redefine the very essence of creative expression. Enter ChatGPT, a sophisticated AI-powered tool seamlessly woven into the fabric of content crafting. In this immersive narrative, we embark on a comprehensive journey to unveil the profound impact of ChatGPT on the landscape of creation. Our focus rests on 5 compelling reasons why it has evolved into an essential asset for content creators around the globe. At the heart of every narrative, every article, every story, lies the initial spark of ideation. ChatGPT emerges as a wellspring of inspiration, an unending cascade of creativity that can generate an extensive array of ideas across a myriad of subjects. It becomes an inexhaustible pool of imagination, providing content creators with an abundant spectrum of thought starters that can ignite the fires of their own creativity. Once the landscape of ideas is painted, the intricate dance of drafting begins. It's in this phase that ChatGPT metamorphoses into a co-author, weaving its digital expertise into the threads of raw drafts. It aids content creators in refining their concepts into polished prose, guiding them to craft narratives that are not just coherent but captivating. True innovation unfurls when we challenge the confines of conventionality. Here, ChatGPT shines as an innovation catalyst, nudging content creators to explore novel perspectives. Its machine-imbued ingenuity encourages them to embark on intellectual journeys they might not have traversed otherwise, creating narratives that defy predictability. The very backbone of impactful content rests upon the pillars of accuracy and depth. ChatGPT assumes the role of a digital sage, a repository of knowledge that spans a plethora of subjects. Its capacity to offer insights elevates the content's credibility, infusing it with accurate information that engages and captivates. In the whirlwind of content creation, time emerges as a prized possession. Here, ChatGPT functions not just as a creative partner, but also as a time-saving virtuoso. It accelerates the writing process, enabling content creators to channel their energies into refining their artistry. As our exploration draws to a close, the symbiosis of human creativity and AI prowess stands illuminated. ChatGPT evolves beyond the realm of a mere tool. It's a companion that empowers content creators to soar to new heights. From ideation to crafting, creativity to precision, and efficiency to innovation, ChatGPT becomes an integral part of the creative journey. For content creators yearning to transcend boundaries, ChatGPT is a clarion call to embrace its transformative potential. It's a voyage where human ingenuity converges harmoniously with the brilliance of AI, birthing narratives that resonate, captivate, and inspire.